Hello, fellow creators and influencers. Today, we're tackling a topic that's essential for anyone looking to elevate their YouTube game: buying YouTube likes. Likes are more than just a number. They're the heart of YouTube's algorithm, influencing how your videos rank. More likes can lead to higher visibility, attracting more viewers, and ultimately, boosting engagement on your videos. But let's be real, accumulating organic likes can be a slow and challenging process. And that's where buying YouTube likes comes into play. Buying YouTube likes can give your videos a quick, insignificant boost, skyrocketing your visibility and drawing in more viewers. And if you're worried about safety and legitimacy, let me put your mind at ease. IT Boost is a reliable platform that offers this service. They provide a range of packages to suit your specific needs, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck. The process is straightforward. Choose your package, enter your video link, make a secure payment, and then sit back and watch as your likes start to roll in. It's as simple as that. And the best part, IT Boost is dedicated to providing a safe, secure, and efficient service. They understand the importance of your YouTube presence and are committed to helping you enhance it. So if you're looking to give your YouTube videos a significant boost, consider buying likes from IT Boost. It's a simple, effective strategy that can help you reach more people, grow your channel, and make a bigger impact with your content. That's all for today's video. If you found this information valuable, please hit that like button, and maybe even consider buying a few extra from IT Boost. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and remember, your YouTube success is just a few clicks away.